Asibuyele emuva phansi ngokuhlukumeza insango babebhema kahle omkhulu maybe kanye ngonyaka ugqoka ibheshu nembadada ngidi isiko lami phela amasule bedume ngokuhloniphana nokuphana sahlephulelana inyoni noma kuyijiyane.
Kubona bonke abantu ababuya kwaNgqondonkulu empilweni. Kulabo abake baya kwaNgqondonkulu bayazi ukuthi kube khona isikhathi la khona kukhulunywa ke ngegama ke lesilumbi elithi indirect speech. La khona umuntu ke wayesuke ekhuluma ke inkulumo kube ngazi ukuthi ke uqonde eMpumalanga ekubeni ke eqonde eNtshonalanga. Ilepho qhamuka khona ke igama le indirect speech. Yebo phela silapha nje ke ngoba ke silidwa ngumongameli wezwe umnumzana uCyril Ramaphosa ophinda abe ngumholi weqembu ke lebusayo iANC. uRamaphosa ephumele kobala ngokuthi ke abantu ke mabavotele ke iDA. uRamaphosa ukusho ke lokhu ngendlela ke iphansi ngalesikhathi ke veza ukuthi kubona bonke omasipala kabakhona eNingizimu Afrika awukho kumasipala nowodwa nje kokuthiwa ke uclean noma ke muhle oholwa ke iANC. Cyril Ramaphosa ufeza ke lokho enkulumo ngalesikhathi ke bizeke wonke amakhansela kaANC ezowatshela ke zikabhoqo ngokungenzeke kahle emsebenzini kabawenzayo. Lokho Ramaphosa uphumele kobala ngalesikhathi ke tshela ke lamakhansela ukuthi komasipala kabahamba kahle kezweni nabahamba ke phambili ngawomasipala kabaholwa iqembu leDA. Yebo abaqhamuka ke endaweni ke yase Cape Town, Stellenbosch nakuphi nakuphi. Labo masipala babalile kahle umnumzane ke Cyril Ramaphosa uthi ke baholwa ke iqembu leDemocratic Alliance futhi ke yibona abahamba ke phambili. Uthi kuzofanele ke siyohlala phansi ke siyozibuza noma siyobuza thina kubona ke abantu ke beDA bananeleke inkundleni ke zokuxhumana abantu ke bahamba bayobonga ke kuloko Ramaphosa ngokuthi ke abanikeze kumkombandlelo ukuthi ke njengoba kuzoyiwe vote nje kuzofanele ke benze njani. Bathe ke abantu ngamanye amazwi ke lokho Ramaphosa esitshelile ukuthi ke nembala maziya ke votini masivotele ke iqembu leDA Democratic Alliance njengoba ke sekuveze ngokusobala ukuthi ke yibona ke yilona ke lenza kahle komasipala. Kodwa ke okumangaza abantu abaningi kungani ke labo masipala ke beDA kube ngomasipala balapha endaweni ke zomntakabani la kuhlala ke khona nomnumzane kuRamaphosa kanye ke nabo bonke labo abaphezulu emaqenjini ke wonke la bephila khona. Umbuzo kusekuthenini ke ingabe ke laba kabe ANC abazohamba ke beyokhankasa mangabe ke sekuvula ikhala zokuthi kuyokhankaswa bayofike bethini ke kubantu. Iwona ke mbuzo abantu bekade ke bewubuza ukuthi ke siyofika esithini kubantu njengoba kubaba wethu esekuveze ngokusobala ukuthi iDA ilona ke iqembu lenza kahle komasipala ke kubona bonke jikelele. Yebo ke ngekuphikwe phela ukuthi ke labo masipala bahlala ke bethola nje ke lapha ke bayitha ama clean audit ngenxa ukuthi kuthiwa ke bahamba ke phambili. Nawo ke noRamaphosa sekuvezile lokho uthi ke yena kuyamcasula futhi kuyamdina ukuthi ke njalo umasipala ke beDA bahamba ke phambili. Akukho nowodwa weANC obonakala ke uphuma ke phambili noma kuvela ekuthenini ke ungabanye bomasipala ke bahamba ke phambili kuzona kuona wonke ama clean audit ayeke vele. Ngakho ke kuyofanele kanje kuyobuzwa kuDA ukuthi ke benza ngani.
Comrades, it cannot and must not be acceptable that in our country we control a number of municipalities. It is hugely painful each time when the Auditor General comes to report to Cabinet and they put up their report, and those municipalities that do best are not ANC-controlled municipalities. And I can name it here because there's nothing wrong with competition. They are often DA-controlled municipalities. We need to ask ourselves, what is it that they are doing that is better than what we are doing? And there's nothing wrong with us saying we want to go and see what Cape Town is doing. We want to go and see what Stellenbosch is doing. How do they craft everything? We need to be moving up the ladder of being good at what we do. We cannot forever stay at the bottom. It hurts me deeply when I continue to see that our municipalities sometimes tend to move even backwards. And you are the people who can improve that. The audit outcomes are important. I'm told by the Auditor General that a number of our financial statements are not even prepared at the council level. They are prepared outside. And even as they come back, they are often wrong. Now, what it means is that we do need to get capable people Our country is not short of people who understand numbers. It's not short of people who understand accounting. Let us go and get people who understand accounting. Unless we want the books to be cooked, and I would say, away with cooking of the books. Cooking of the books must end today. We must get people who can draft the books properly and present an audit outcome that is going to be in line with what is expected.
Kunaneleke ihlombe ngalesi sikhathi ke umnumzana Cyril Ramaphosa kuyona ke lenkulumo yakhe efeza ke nokuthi wazi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi ke nalama audit asuke ke khishwa futhi awalungiswa lapha ke ekhaya. Uthi ke labo masipala ke bethu bashoda ngabantu bama accounting bathatha ke izincwadi behambe ke bozinikeza abantu bangaphandle bekwazi ukuthi ke bebenzele ke ama audit. Uthi ke lento abayenzayo i-wrong kanti ke futhi asiphinde wakuveza yiloko ukuthi uyazi nokuthi kunomkhonyovu owenziwayo khona lapha ngalesikhathi kwenziwa kona ke lama audit. Uthi nina niyakhuka ngamanye amazwi ke niyapheka nipheka amanga nibhala kumbiko ke engamanga uthi lembiko eniyenzayo ingamanga uma ngabe ke nifuna ukuthi ke siswaneni yenzani imbiko eyiqiniso uma ukuthi imali uyidlile vala nifeka nje lapha emabhukwini ukuthi imali uyidlile kanje yekelani ukuqamba amanga kule mbiko ke yenu seyakwazi lokho uMatamela ukuthi ke nina bomasipala beANC niqamba kamanga lapha kulamabhuku enu nikhiphe ke imbiko okungesiyona iqiniso lasho ihlombe okukhomba ukuthi bayazi nabo lamakhansela ukuthi khona ngempela okwenziwayo sindabeni zomsakazo ngingoSothondosa.
Asibuyele emuva phansi ngokuhlukumeza insango babebhema kahle omkhulu maybe kanye ngonyaka ugqoka ibheshu nembadada ngidi isiko lami phela amasule bedume ngokuhloniphana nokuphana sahlephulelana inyoni noma kuyijiyane.